guys, welcome to my first video ever and today I'm going to tell you how can you take the efficient notes. Efficient notes आप कैसे बना सकते हैं, बहुत ही आसान है। आपको ना इतने सारे चीज़ों की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। नोट्स आप अपने लिए बनाते हो, आपको समझ में आने चाहिए, बस उतना ही है। तो आज मैं आपको थोड़े क्वेश्चंस जो है नोट्स मेकिंग जब बच्चे फर्स्ट टाइम बनाते हैं तब उनको आते हैं, उन सबको मैं आज क्लियर करने। What are notes? Why notes? What are notes and why do we need to write notes? ये दो बहुत important question है। Notes क्या है? It is a summarized form of your lesson or text or chapter. It is the summarized forms where you do not need to study this much and you just need to study this much. So which one do you think is easier? It's of course the 5 to 7 pages is easier rather than the one big text. So that's why we write notes. It's very simple. And then notes are the summarized forms. Now, why do we actually write notes? It's very simple. Just to remember. You can take notes while your teacher is teaching you. You can take notes after class, beforehand class. No issues. You can take notes literally anytime. But notes, writing stores stuff in brain easier. Now, if you watch a video, now you're watching a video of mine, let's see. And the same thing, I have a website of mine and you're reading it through my website. Which one will you think will be easier? The website, it will just take you 2 minutes, but you will not understand the whole thing to the depth correctly. But when you watch a video, it is very easy to understand. Same way, when you study from the textbook, it is not easy, but when you write it, it just stores in your brain. Okay, what notes and why notes? Both are done. Now, which supplies to use? Very simple, guys. You may use a A4 paper. So you have this A4 paper. You can use an A4 paper. It's completely empty. So I'm not written the notes in this. I don't prefer this, but you guys can, because the way I write, if I start writing here, I end up somewhere here. So that's why I don't write in an A4 paper. Otherwise, you can use ruled sheets. Ruled sheets are amazing, of course. This you can get a bunch, I guess 500 sheets. This is a bit costlier than A4 papers, but it's your choice. Or otherwise, if you're someone like me who can lose their notes very, very easily, you can use a book. I use a long size book which gives me a lot of space to write. So I prefer a long size, but you can use a short book, any kind of book to write your notes. Okay, now this is done. What else would you need to write your notes? You will need pens, pencils. You do not need much. You just need a blue pen and a black pen to write. That is it. Blue pen and a black pen. Black pen for headings, blue pen for the text. It is so simple. इतना आसान. One black and one blue pen will work everything out. You can आप book use कर सकते हैं, आप पेपर यूज कर सकते हैं, unruled sheets, ruled sheets, check box papers. I'll just show you the picture there. I guess you can see it while I edit it. So that kind of a paper. Now, again, some important points. While you're studying social, either history or geography, keep a map ready. Keep one map ready. It can be a rivers map, political map, any kind of map which you will need in the text. So while you get your book, go through it once. What maps you may need, just get them and get ready before you write your notes. Next, if you are studying math, you would need a graph sheet. Yes, you would of course need a graph sheet. I have a graph sheet here. So you will need a graph sheet if you're studying math. So now we are done with the supplies. Just 2 pens are enough, or you can take a highlighter if you just again want to highlight the really important words. So like resources mean this, conventional resources, whatever. It is your choice. You can make them however you want. Don't worry, I'm going to give you a sample. My notes are not very aesthetic, but they help me study amazingly. Okay. Now, coming to the next point, we have seen the supplies, we have seen what are notes, we have seen why do we need to write notes. Now comes another important topic. How do I take notes? मैं notes कैसे बनाऊँ? Note making has 3 steps. Read the text. पहले उस चैप्टर को पढ़िए. Read the text. अगर आप नए हैं तो you may need, you know, 1 or 2 to 3 times you may have to read. But if you are a regular note maker, आप notes रोज ही बनाते हैं, तो you will not need to read it twice or thrice. Just read the text one and you will get a clear knowledge of which points are important actually and which are not. Once this is done, we are all set. So let's learn the steps now. Step number 1, read the text. As I told you, read the text completely, nicely, well, and then important points mark. Okay, first step is done. Second step is read it again, but while reading it again, you have to read it topic wise, and once one topic is over, start writing notes for that topic. Then read the second topic, then write the notes for the second topic. Very simple. This is the steps for writing notes. So simple. Just we have 2 steps. Third step is go through the book back exercises. So book back exercises, most of all the notebooks have book back exercises, question answers. Go through them. If you don't understand a question answer, Google it, and then you learn a new point. So 3 steps: read the text. Second step, read the text and make the notes. Then go through the exercises, glossary, summary, did you know facts, and all that stuff. Everything is important. And when you're writing history, अगर आप history लिख रहे हैं, make a separate column for dates. After everything is done, you're done with your notes. But people want to make aesthetically, you know, so pleasing to the mind notes, which can be made, but it takes a lot of time. But we are not here to waste our time. We are not going to waste that time. Write the notes how it is easy for you. Don't bother about the handwriting or who's going to see, who's going to grade your notes. No one is going to grade your notes. It's only you are writing the notes and you're studying with the notes and you're getting benefited with your notes. So you don't need to, write your notes aesthetically. But if you want to write, you can of course go ahead, but we're not here to waste time. Very simple. So we have spoken about everything, what books to use. Sorry, I have not spoken about what books to use. So if you're studying science, social, you can of course carry a guide. So this is my textbook and I have a guide. Yes, I use a guide. All the guides are amazing. Just choose which suits you perfectly. Here I use a golden guide. It has a lot of question answers in it, so I guess it is perfect for me. But you may like All-in-One, Arihant, or any other publication, but it's all upon you. All the guides are amazing, and the number of guides should not exceed more than 2. 2 guides, 1 textbook is more than enough. I only have 1 because I don't like, studying from 10 different stuff. Don't keep more than 2 guides. It's just going to confuse you. Even a single question, what is a cell or what is bacteria, can confuse you to the top. It can just bounce over your head. What? So one book says bacteria is this, so on. Other book says bacteria is not this, and so on. They mean the same, but it can go above your head and you may not know what to write and what not to write. So just keep one guide. So we have checked on everything, which supplies to use, which papers to use, and which books to use, what are notes, why notes, steps for writing notes. We have seen everything here. So I hope you get, and if you have any doubt, you can please comment. I will try to answer your doubt, and if I don't know the answer, I will of course myself do some research on it. So whatever I have told you are the ways that have worked best for me. Ways that have worked best for me, and I am very happy with my notes. I don't like making them aesthetic, or I just use 2 pens. If I show you the notes, you can clearly see I just use 2 pens, but my notes are perfect for me. I can study them easily, and it's very easy to study from notes rather than your textbook. So hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please like, share and subscribe if you're new. If you're not new, you can just like and share the video if you found the video helpful to make the notes. Okay, share it with your younger brothers, sisters who are just new to note making and they find it really tough. It's very easy. Just be confident and write. And if you're new, read the text 2 to 3 times. And if you don't know which point is actually very important, take help of your elders. You call your mom, dad, elder, sibling, anyone. They will help you. And once you see, okay, while reading this paragraph, I find this point important, and this, you will apne aap understand which are the points perfect. So hope you guys enjoyed the video and found this video helpful. If you want any other videos like this, please comment down below and please like this video. Bye. Okay, so it's time for you guys to see how do I write my notes after I told you. So this is class 8's first chapter in NCERT, crop production and management. I have just used 2 pens all over, and this is my notes. If you want, I could also tell you how do you need to write notes and all that stuff, but okay, let's just check. This is the third chapter for chemistry, which I have written. Again, I forgot to write about polyester, and I had a lot of free space here, so I thought just use the free space up very nicely. Now, I've also left some space because I've not written some points. So even you can do that. You can leave some space if you don't know any kind of a topic or something like. Don't judge my handwriting. I know it's not the best, but yeah, it is fine. It's for me to understand, as I told you. So yes, I have marked all the keywords about hydroxide, carbonate, oxide, dioxide, and acid. I've written some formulas. I usually write formulas in sticky notes and just stick it, but once it's done, I just remove them off. So yes, these are my notes. There's something written in pencil which you guys can't see very well, but that was my last minute prep about the about the diseases or some important people who found out this. So this is what my notes look like. Okay, so I'm not going to show you more. Okay, that's it. It's enough. It's fine. Over.